Michaela draws every possible path in a 5x5 diamond-shaped grid. Each path starts at the bottom vertex and ends at the top vertex. Always moving 1 unit northeast or 1 unit northwest for each path, she finds the area between that path and the right side of the diamond. What is the sum of these areas over all possible paths? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Here is the 5x5 diamond. Every path starts at the bottom vertex and climbs to the top vertex, taking 10 steps in all. 5 northeast and 5 northwest. The right side of the diamond is highlighted in red. Here is one such path in yellow. The region between the path and the right side is shaded blue, together with the left region in gold. The two pieces fill the whole diamond, whose area is 5 times 5, which is 25 square units. How many paths are there? Each path is just an arrangement of 5 northeast steps among 10 steps. So the number of paths is 10. Choose 5, which equals 252. Now the key idea. Reflect any path left to right. Its blue right region becomes the left region of the mirror path. So mirroring pairs up all the paths and swaps right areas with left areas. So the total right area over all paths equals the total left area. But for every path, right plus left is 25, adding over all 252 paths. The right total plus the left total is 252 times 25, which is 6,300. Since the two totals are equal, each one is half of that, 3,150. In other words, every path averages 12.5, and 252 times 12.5 is 3,150. So the sum of all the areas is 3,150.